Hi, my name is Daniel Porter Hodges and I am in CGS 2100 or Computers in Business, and in this video I will be analyzing my Tableau project for BizCafe. It is 3 sheets and a dashboard. In the first sheet it is net income versus revenue. The orange line is the revenue, week 1, 2700. The blue line is net income. It is negative 3,142. As you see, as the weeks progress, both lines will go up. Revenue stays above the breakage point all the way through the end of the process. Net income stays well below until week 8, and then week 8 it consistently goes up until week 13. The next sheet is revenue versus cups sold. The blue is cups sold. Each week you can highlight to see the exact number. Click to unhighlight. The orange line is revenue. Each week you can also click to highlight. As you see, it goes up consistently until week 8. It will take a drop off, and then it will recover on week 10, and week 13 is the peak. The next and final sheet is competitor sales. This one compares my cafe to other cafes selected at random. My cafe is highlighted in red, and as you click you can highlight to see the exact revenue of each cafe each week. Click to unhighlight. The gray are cafes selected at random, and you can see mine falls about in the middle, with Sesame Honey Cafe being at the very top with revenue of $265,274, and Nova Cafe being well below that with about $35,000. On to the next and last part of the project is the dashboard, which mends all of the sheets into one. You can click just like you do on the other sheets. This just compacts the other sheets. As you can see, net income versus revenue here. Clicked, dragged here. Revenue versus cups sold. Same as here. Unhighlight that. And the final one, competitor sales. Scroll up here. Here we have the entire view, and that is the BizCafe project.